Persuasion speech. Eating healthy or unhealthy, you be the judge. My name is LaWanda Hicks, and I have a question for you guys. How many of you have ever been in a rush while hungry, and you see that the Burger Hut on the left and the Healthy Eats on the right? How many of you have chosen that double cheeseburger? Well, yes, I'm guilty as well. Today, we will discuss persuasion of healthier eating habits. We will discuss 3 things that will hopefully encourage you to change over to a better eating habits. We will discuss what unhealthy eating does to the body, 7 ways of learning moderation, and the outcomes of eating healthy. Well, how about we discuss first what unhealthy eating does to the body. Let's compare your body to a car. You have a nice car. Your body's also a nice thing, I'm sure. So what you would do is not put bad fuel in your car. So you wouldn't want to put bad food into your body. Just think of that double bacon cheeseburger. Yeah, it sounds really good. Now think of the large fries and Coke that came with it. Yeah, everyone's thinking? Alright. After you've eaten this greasy goodness, did you feel sleepy, a little fatigued, groggy perhaps? Well, this is one of the many effects that prolonged bad eating habits have on the body. Best Health magazine, in an article about how foods affect your mood by Carol Krenner, said that there's a dramatic connection between your diet and your emotions. How many of you knew that? Okay, well, Mr. Halford from England quoted, "Food is a powerful tool that is often overlooked in its effects on your mental health." Very, very knowledgeable. Foods that can be calm and relaxing include pumpkin seeds, leafy vegetables, and almonds. Foods that make you happy would be asparagus, beans or peas, and egg yolks. Foods for energy would be lean beef, bell pepper, and seafood. And the one, since I'm a college student, it's kind of something that we all need, is to stay focused. Those foods include avocados, bananas, and of course, water. Now, let's move on to moderation. Virginia Woolf once said, "One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well." Now that makes a lot of sense. Well, on Healthy Eats on sfgate.com, they gave tips for moderation. One is to do what many of us like not to do, and that's skipping breakfast. So you should eat breakfast and get plenty of sleep. 2, you should keep a food diary for at least a week and track all the food, including your snacks. Use your food journal to identify calorie hogs, empty calories, and hidden calories. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, all the foods that we eat have hidden calories, and I'm sure many of us don't know what those hidden calories are. Number 4, substitute the quality for the quantity for the quantity. You should also learn how to use proportions. You know, they say 4 ounces of meat. You should try to use that proportion at times. Also, allow some snacks. Now, I'm not saying go hog wild, but every now and then, some snacks are reasonable. Also, make a meal plan and stick to it. If you can do it, and I can do it, everyone can. The outcome of a healthier you means a happy family and a happier lifestyle. In conclusion, a persuasion of healthier living is an excellent choice. It helps you extend your life and gives us time that we want to spend with our loved ones. Just remember the key points that you learned today. The effects that unhealthy eating has on the body. So instead of that cheeseburger, a salad will do. The 7 ways of moderation. Make sure you eat breakfast. Remember those key points, as well as proportions. And the outcomes for healthier living, which would include healthier eating, which include being here for the long haul to spend time with your family, children, and even your grandchildren. Let me leave you with this thought. You are what you eat, said Ludwig Furdenbach.